Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, March 20th, 2021. It is 8:42 and 17 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research: why researchers are rediscovering that vaccines are pretty much useless. So let's hop to it. Vaccines alone may not be enough to end pandemic. Date March 18, 2021. Source: Georgetown University Medical Center. Summary: even as vaccines are becoming more readily available in the U.S. or on a global scale, protecting against the asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic spread of the virus SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19 is key to ending the pandemic, say disease experts in a new article. In perspective, SARS-CoV-2 transmission without symptoms, published March 18th in the Journal of Science, make the case that symptomless transmission silently drives viral spread and is key to ending the pandemic. Determining the true transmission capability of asymptomatic and pre-symptomatic cases is inherently complex, but knowledge gaps should not detract from acknowledging their role in the spread of SARS-CoV-2. We can't rely on vaccination alone to control the pandemic. Vaccines are great for protecting people against disease, but we don't yet know how well they work to protect against transmission. Researchers say that from a biological perspective, it would be unlikely that a vaccine that protects well against disease would not protect against infection. But just like the vaccines don't offer 100% protection against getting sick, they also aren't 100% likely to protect against transmission. In addition, while vaccines reportedly will become widely available in the U.S. by summer, that is not the case in the rest of the world where the pandemic continues unabated. Asymptomatic and pre-symptomatic transmission poses a unique challenge for public health and infection prevention mitigation efforts. Ultimately, this is something we will need to continuously keep our eye on as we move into the next phase of the COVID-19 pandemic and the reduction of disease due to vaccinations, until there is a widespread implementation of robust surveillance and epidemiological measures that allows us to put out these smokeless fires. The COVID-19 pandemic cannot be fully extinguished. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.